Hi everyone, it's Tiffany again. So today I'm going to be showing you another fractured painting using pan pastels once again, because I just love the way they work. And if you remember from last time, I'll show you again that they look like eyeshadows and lots of beautiful different colours. So today I'm going to be drawing a tree of life, but very colourful. Using lots of rainbow colours, which is sort of a thing at the minute. And again, paper I'm using is Colourfix, which is like sandpapery, if you can hear that. Really good at making sure that the pastel sticks to and doesn't fall off. I shall be speeding up the process so you don't have to wait hours for me to finish. And I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I shall now draw out the tree and off I go. Okay, so to draw out, I'm going to be just using a charcoal pencil, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hey, so I just want to show you again my tools that I'm using for pan pastel, and they are plastic sticks with sponges that you fit on the end that you can clean, because obviously they get a little bit grubby. You can turn them around and use them again, so I try and keep light colours, dark colours separate, and also what they've got is sponges. Again, you can use them quite a lot before you have to clean them. This one probably needs a clean soon, but they are really great for blending. So as you can see, I'm cracking on with my tree. It's sort of evolving by itself a little bit. It's almost like a flame at the minute, so I might add some more green perhaps on the branches, and we'll see how we get on. But yeah, there we go. so I'm getting towards the end of my painting. I hope you like it. It's very bright and I hope it comes out properly on the video there. I'm now going to tighten up my edges using some Conte chalk pastels, really lovely bold colour, and I just want the whole thing to now pop, so I should be putting more detail on areas and making the colour lighter and darker and just tightening everything up. These are just, to say, Conte pastels, nice and round, nice and hard. My rainbow tree of life is now complete. Keeping on these on for a couple of days, just see if I really like it, managed to tweak it in any way. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to do these sort of every couple of months maybe, working around all my commissions and so on. So bear with me when I do like putting stuff up for you. I hope you enjoy it. And thanks for watching.